Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can download YouTube Music on your phone. So to do this, you go ahead to YouTube, choose a song you want to download. After that, you just want to go ahead and search for a download button. And like so, you will then download it if you have YouTube Premium. If you don't have YouTube Premium, then you can go ahead to YouTube Music, for example, choose a song. And after that, you want to go ahead and again download it. And YouTube Music is also available for subscription. And then after you will download it, your song will be available in your library on YouTube Music. And that's pretty much it how you can download it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.